Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Teardown. This is just my second time playing it, second episode. We're going to jump into the storyline is a little interesting. So far, if you didn't see episode one, um, that's my alarm clock. That's how you turn the alarm clock off. So far, I found out that my demolition company is struggling, and my mom is uh, maybe my only employee. She's running the books, and she's telling us we're struggling financially. So I got a job that maybe was a little bit shady under the table. I was supposed to go and knock down a building that the developer of the local mall needed to be out of the way so he could add on to the mall. Um, So I knocked it down, and then it turns out, as I read in this email, they caught me on camera leaving the scene. Is actually going towards the mall, going to the scene. I don't know if that's really evidence. I am a demolition expert. And so they're investigating. Yikes, that's not good. And I didn't get paid either. I didn't see my cash go up at all. So, and now one of the local shady cops is asking for a favor, and her favor is um, I need to go borrow some computers that'll help in an investigation that she's doing. So, we have to break into Lee Chemicals, take their computers, and give them to the cops. And in return, I guess I will not get um, thrown in jail for my for my teardown. So this is called the Lee Computers, and here we are at oh boy, the Lee Corporation. And at this point, all I have is let's see, I'm still learning. All I have is a sledgehammer, spray can, and a fire extinguisher. That's awesome. So let me look this place over here. Let's see what's in here. It says click that to toggle my objectives. Okay, let's see. Parissa wants access to Lee's computer registry. Pick up 3 computers at the site for her. Large fires will trigger the alarm. So primary targets: office, harbor office, and factory. So this is useful. This view tells me, and I'm right there. So I have 3 buildings right there. And that looks like maybe that's a. I'm not sure what that means. Um, Interesting. So those are the 3 buildings, and we'll just get in there and find out what's going on. I can't create fires. Let me see if I can open the door. No, but I can do that. So the good news is that's all there is to it. So that's not so bad. But if they're warning me about fires, then I need to be obviously cautious. I love the world, the pixelated world. Let's see, how do I get? Let me click that again just to see where I'm supposed to go. I am right there. Oh, and there's water, so I have to go back that way. Yep. So I'm not gonna. Let's see. Let's go this way. Maybe that's a shortcut. Ooh, maybe it's a dead end. Nope, we're good. I have high hopes about this game, and I lose interest in games quite fast. As a matter of fact, I have a where's the office? I have a list on my computer right here, and it has my favorite games at the moment: Project Motor Racing, Roadcraft, The Hunter, Call of the Wild, Windrose, GTA 5, AC Origins, Assassin's Creed, and Teardown. Because I just when I have time to play a game, Must be locked. I don't know what to play sometimes. Oh, that one's a metal. Okay, but I can. Isn't this a cool game? I mean, the whole concept is cool. I love it. The whole teardown thing. And so what? Um, bars on the window. Hmm. Oh, up there. Oh, but I could stack. I could stack. Let's see here. Okay. Um, let's see. How do I do a good job of stacking though? Still learning how to. I mean, I can throw stuff. I know that. Like, shoo, I know that. But stacking to get to that window, it almost seems like. I mean, I could stack, but it also seems like I could drive. Could get a truck and drive a truck over here, like that guy. Then I could just jump off the top. So let's. That seems like a better idea. Now, can I get through that crack? No, that's a problem. Oh, I could also just run into the building with this. Um, so there's that. Could I just, man, without making a fire? So that's cool. So that's, yeah, I didn't have to jump. I didn't have to climb up on top of that at all. That's awesome. Let's go up the stairs and see if there's a, oh, I can, mm. Well, that's called stealing. That really wasn't part of the plan. Computer looks, what did it say? Looks old. Okay, so not one of the computers I'm looking for. What's that show over there? Something in that room. Opening doors is still awkward. You have to kind of pull and back away. It's a little bit weird. Let's hope this is a newer computer. Yes. Okay. Okay, this looks like this is going to be easy. So maybe too easy as well, don't speak so soon. So because, and by the way, I mean, isn't it just fun to drive around in Lego, like Minecraft looking vehicles, and the whole world is like kind of a Lego Minecraft thing? Whoa. It's really cool. I'm just super excited about that. Oh, those look like flammable. Yeah, so let's not do that. But I do need to get in there, right? That's the building, isn't it? Where am I? I'm over here, aren't I? Yeah, I'm right there. Oh, it's behind me. It's behind me. Oh no, that's it. That is. Let me. Let's go back. No, that is. Yeah, it's the one with the explosive tanks. So, oh, careful. So let's just bash in the side of the building. I don't think this will be that big of a deal. And maybe through the windows would be less brick. That's what I'm thinking. Just drive into the building. That's so cool. Wow. Don't catch on fire though. All right, let's go find the. That doesn't look good. Let's get in and get out then. I'm not really sure. Okay, the problem is where would a computer be? Upstairs? Whoa, that's like actually between the buildings. That's interesting. So maybe that's where I have to go. Over here. They wouldn't do that if it wasn't over here, I don't think. I think it's going to be tucked in. What is that? Okay, okay. So, yeah, have too much fun with this. Okay, well, it's not up here. Where is it? So I was saying it's was going to be easy. The first two computers were easy, and You mean this was in here the whole time? I didn't even have to break into that other building? I could have just gone in, walked across. Oh my gosh. And I did all this damage over here. Oh, maybe I can turn off that. Maybe that'll help. Yeah. Maybe it'll turn off whatever is going on here. So there won't be a fire. I don't know. Okay, I'm looking for a computer and oh wait. Tools worth 45 bucks. Nice. Oh, and what do we have here? Oh, what's going on? That's got to be useful. Drive vehicle. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, but what can I do? What can I do with it though? Do I need to get up high somewhere? I don't think so. I can't quite see the I don't like the view of this. I can't see in, and there we go. But why would I have to get up high? I don't think I do. Let's exit the vehicle. I don't know what the purpose of that would be. Oh, is that? Maybe that's what the purpose is. The office is up there. Where the computer is going to be, of course. Ah, but how would you normally get up there? Well, let's do this then. Let's go over here. Aha. And now what? Let's just drive right through the window. Oh, am I up or down? Oh no, I wanted to go up. Okay, so how do can I just walk out of that thing? Jump. Jump? No. I want to get out, but not come down. Oh, do you see a computer in there? I guess that is the first thing I should see. I should look. I don't know if I even see a computer. Come on, now if I hit out, it should put me. Oh, why does it do that? Well, maybe I can climb this. No. Well, yeah, there's a computer right there. That is the computer. So, okay. So biggest challenge is this, like, how do I get, maybe it'll just let me grab the computer if I can get close enough to it. Right there. If I could just hit, no, okay. If I hit X, it exits the vehicle. So, okay. Well, oh, there's the computer. So what I think is I need to stack. Let's see if I can jump up here. He doesn't jump very high. That is for sure. I wish he could jump higher. So what I'm going to try to do is give myself some stairs. Ooh, okay. So if this game looks fun to you, you can pick it up on Steam. I can't remember what it was. I'm sure it was on sale. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was on sale when a game like this, I probably, there we go. Waited till it was on sale and picked it up. All right, get to your escape vehicle. That was relatively pain-free. And I definitely did not. Oh, might as well, I mean, picked up electric screwdriver worth 120 bucks. So, yeah, be smart to. I don't think this is not my escape vehicle, but it's just fun to drive, to be honest with you. Okay, go to your escape vehicle. Well, I'm going to drive over there. Maybe I'm going to drive over there. Oh. Go, go, go. Okay. Let's see if I can get around the building. And we'll just tuck in here, maybe. Oh, sorry about that. We want to get, I'm just going to jump out. We don't want to get caught this time. We want to get in and out quietly and back to base. We have the computers. So I think this time all is good. I don't think we really attracted any attention to ourselves. So targets, all three, took us 13 minutes. And let's see if there's any issue with that. We did get $190, but I imagine I would be, turn that off. I imagine we would get some money for that too, but maybe they just, yeah, so those were the check marks. Let's see, login devices. The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT and no further details, so I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. I should be able to cross-reference their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they are moving the product and what BT means. I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Hmm. You mean since I did that, they did a new security system? Uh, uh, well, okay. Pick up 3 login devices for Parisa. They are protected by an alarm system. Awesome. Security arrives 60 seconds after the alarm is triggered. Make sure to plan ahead. Well, we'll do that next episode. Come back and join me. Then, this is Teardown. See you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.